Welcome back, unicorns, to another video. And today's video is another Makeup Monday video. So if you want to see me create this look and hear the theme, stay tuned. So in today's video for Makeup Monday, we are going to be doing a trend that went around called Qtip flowers. So I'm going to create this look. I'll show that process at the end when I do the flowers. And I'm going to be doing my full face, showing y'all what I use. I'm first going to be using this elf pencil that I got free for review that I wanted to use for today. I love the hair-like strokes it has. It matches my color perfectly, and I love how easy it was to use. And there's a spoolie on the back to help blend. So I just wanted to try this out in this video because I needed to use it. But let me know if you tried this elf pencil before and then how you enjoyed it. But I'm going to be doing the tutorial on how to do the Q-tip. All you have to do is you dip the Q-tip in like a powder or a liquid or whatever you want to do and make a flower out of it. And it's really fun. So I hope y'all do enjoy seeing that part. But that'll be it for today. I'll also link the ladies down below that's in this collab. Go check them out. They're on Instagram. And I forgot to mention this is an Instagram collab and anyone could join in. Wait, never mind. Not anyone can join in. If you want to see what we do each week, go check out my Instagram. It will be linked down below. Show it some love. I really would appreciate it. And we have a blast doing each week. And when there's openings, I'll let y'all know if there's any openings soon to join in this collab. But we have a blast doing it, and hope y'all do enjoy seeing it as well. And I think that is it for today, so continue watching me create this makeup look, and they'll be back at the end of the video. So if you got this far in the video and you're enjoying it so far, comment down below if you tried this trend before, the Q-tip flower trend. Let me know your thoughts. If you did it, how easy it was for you. Just share in the comments. I really appreciate reading it, and you'll be shouted next video upload on my channel. So again, unicorns, answer that question to be shouted at. If you don't want to answer the question, just say you watched in full, and you'll also be shouted in the next video also upload on my channel. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you think. Perfect for spring. It's super cute. I really love how it turned out, but let me know your thoughts. Here is the close-up of the look. Let me know how you thought I did on the flowers. I'm pretty new to it, but I really think they turned out really cute. But let me know your thoughts. And unicorns, don't forget to like the video, comment down below, subscribe, join Unicorn family, and hit that bell icon so you're notified when I upload. And unicorns, always be yourself. Bye.